Hey everybody, this is Leo with Key Print Co. And in today's video, we're gonna make a t-shirt inspired by Travis Scott. Check it out. Last month, Travis Scott celebrated his 29th birthday, and they took this photo of him walking into his birthday Bugatti, and he's wearing the sickest tie-dye shirt we've ever seen. So for this video, we wanna show you guys the proper way to print on tie-dye shirts. So for this artwork, we have a 12 by 12 surface area to work with. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that the circle itself is nice and centered. So I'm going to work on that for a second. Excellent. Then make sure you got the maybe 3.5 fingers away from the collar. Now what you want to do is make sure that the actual artwork is going to fit within the surface area that you're looking to print. So ours is 12 inches height and about 12 inches wide. So it's going to be perfect. And we're good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video for Travis Scott's birthday, and we'll catch you on the next one.